Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about finite games and infinite games. So what are finite games and infinite games? So finite games are games in which there is a clear winner and a loser at the end of it. So there are fixed end points in a finite game. On the contrary, infinite games are games in which there are no clear winners or losers. So players keep on playing unless and until they exhaust their resources or they lose their willingness to continue playing the game. Now, why is it important to understand what finite games and infinite games are? That is because for most of the games in our lives, we try and play finite games. However, we should actually be playing infinite games. I'll give you an example. Say for example, you want to lose 20 kilos, but if you say that I will lose this 20 kilos in 6 months, you are playing a finite game, right? Because you are saying that there is an end point, and of course, if you lose 20 kilos, then you are a winner, otherwise you are a loser. So it may not be very enjoyable if you play this game in this manner. On the contrary, if you approach this as an infinite game, that yes, I'm going to get healthier, and rather than focusing on the end point and the goal, you focus on the system that you develop. Say for example, in the first week, you start eating clean. In the second week, you start going for jogging. In the third week, you introduce some form of resistance training. And slowly you develop healthier patterns that help you enjoy the process of losing weight rather than focusing on a finite end goal. So for most games in our lives, if we have the approach of playing it in a finite game manner, then it's a problem, because there is a higher chance that you will lose motivation to continue playing it, and there is also a chance that you will go back to your earlier habits after you reach your goal. Because if you're playing a finite game, you are focusing on the goal rather than developing the patterns. So give it a thought. Which are the games in life that you would like to play in a finite manner, and which are the games that you would like to approach in an infinite manner?